Go get it. There she goes. She's crawling. She wants things. Adelaide, what are you doing? Are you crawling like a big girl? Thanks, Clementine. Why don't you get over by Daddy?
I'm right here.
Okay. Can you crawl back? Eric, can you put something over there and maybe she can crawl back?
Adelaide, what I got? Adelaide.
Okay. You can play with the baby. Bye, Adelaide. Bye, Adelaide. If you want to. Do you want to share the baby with her?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
She likes it.
She does.
Anyway.
Oh,
And you wanna go
bye. Say bye. Oh, she's making out with the baby.